It's Sunday and time to meal prep, and I do love a slow cooker for meal prepping, and that's exactly what we're doing this week. Now, I try and teach you guys that meal prepping is something that you should add on to what you're already doing. So I'm in the kitchen making my blueberry protein waffles. Did you get the recipe? I posted a little short in here showing you how to make it. These are so good. So I'm in the kitchen already, so I'm adding this, we call it habit stacking, to making breakfast already. So I am making butter chicken for Gary and I for meal prep this week for lunches. Making sure I recycle my plastic. That's what I was trying to show you here in this video. I also get my chicken local from the markets because it is the best quality. If you haven't grabbed my meal prep cheat sheet, then make sure you drop the word cheat in the comments and I'll send it to you. Just double checking the recipe here that I've got everything, putting my spices together. And basically the reason slow cookers are so convenient is literally you just bung it all in. My waffles are ready. How good do they look? So as you can see, I'm doing a bit of multitasking, cooking waffles and making my slow cooker butter chicken at the same time. But really and truly, this takes 5 minutes to make because you just bung it all into the slow cooker and then chuck it on high for 4 hours and then it does its stuff. So this is why I'm a fan of using the slow cooker for meal prepping, because it really doesn't take a lot of time. I'm going to chuck this on now and come back. I'll put some rice on and then put it into containers later in the day. Meanwhile, I'm going to enjoy my waffles. I am going to meal prep some breakfast, and this week on the meal plan we have got chocolate peanut butter overnight oats, which I've already made a couple of. Of course, I am loving the blueberry waffles too, so we'll see how we go. Probably a combination. I hope this little video has been a reminder for you to get some meal prep done today. If you make it a habit stacking thing, like I was talking about, where you get in the habit of doing it every Sunday, this will be a behavior that will set you up for success. The reason I teach this and I do it myself is because now once I get this meal prepared and in the fridge, I have set myself up for success with my lunches and my breakfasts for 4 days this week, and I can't go off track. So I'm already setting myself up for success. If you would like to let me know in the comments what you're meal prepping, I would love to hear. If you have any questions, I'm here to help, so drop them in the comments. And if you haven't already grabbed my meal prep cheat sheet, then just drop the word cheat in the comments. It's a little tool that I've made for my clients and I'm happy to share with you guys. I will send it to you. It has all my tips and tricks for success with meal prepping and making it a habit that will serve you to help you get your goals. Have the best day. Happy meal prepping. If you're enjoying this content but would like more information about nutrition, how to master your nutrition and lifestyle to manage not only menopause but your menopause symptoms, get rid of the belly fat, just feel your best in this period of life, then I do have a podcast as well. It's called Menopause Nutritionist, and you can find it. Actually, I'll pop it in the link in the notes here. You can go listen, and there's lots and I think more than 120 episodes over there. So enjoy that one as well.